All right, in this video, I'm going to be doing a review of GetResponse, and I'm going to be answering the question, is GetResponse still the best email marketing tool in 2024? This is a full review and tutorial. So what I'm going to be doing is just taking you through, I'm going to tell you about GetResponse real quick, taking you through, this is the email service provider I use. I used Aweber for about 12 years, a long time. I needed a change. And then I came over to GetResponse within the past year. And I'm going to do a review on GetResponse and tell you why I like them. And then some of the features so you can make up your own mind. But I've been doing internet marketing since like 2007, like forever. So I practice what I preach. I actually use this tool. So I'm going to take you through it a little bit. And like I said, give you a little review and demo of it. Some of the features, and you can make up your own mind. I'm going to take you over here. And I'm going to show you the history of GetResponse, and also you can get a 30-day free trial. I'm going to leave the link directly below, and there's also a 30 or 40% off coupon link. That'll be below as well. It's the same link, but you can also, if you decide to pick it up, but if you want to give it a trial, there's a 30-day trial. You get all the features. You can explore all the premium features without needing to provide a credit card, which is awesome. This trial allows you to fully test the platform's capabilities, including email marketing, automation, landing page creation, and all the e-commerce tools. This is coming straight from ChatGPT. And I wanted some facts about GetResponse. I kind of knew a lot of it, but I want to make sure I was correct. So I looked this up on the newest edition of GPT, which is 4.0. The history of GetResponse. All right, this is one of the reasons, one of the main selling points of GetResponse, as well as Aweber. I like them as well, but I actually like GetResponse better because I think they got a few more features. And I'll tell you why in this review here. But GetResponse was founded in 1997, so that's a long time ago. In Poland, it's from Poland. The country's based out of Europe, and has grown into a global provider of email marketing solutions. Over its 25 plus years of operation, the company has expanded its offerings to include marketing automation, landing page creation, and e-commerce tools. Known for its reliability and innovation, GetResponse continues to evolve to meet the changing needs of digital marketers worldwide. The platform is now used by over 400,000 customers across more than 160 countries, delivering billions of emails annually with a high deliverability rate, which is in the 99 plus percentile. So the selling points of GetResponse is it's been around forever. As you can see, since 97. It's not going nowhere. So you can rest assured that if you set up bring your all your emails, you got a big list, you want to bring it over for another email service provider, and you're worried about, I never heard of this company, I don't know if it's going to be around tomorrow. You don't have to worry about that with them. Obviously, they've been around forever, and they're going to be around forever because they're super well established and have a big customer base. The next thing is they offer a 30-day free trial, no credit card, last I seen, and you can test out everything for yourself. So definitely take advantage of that. Like I said, the link's below if you like what you see. I did some reviews here. This is coming from ChatGPT. I'm going to give my own as well, but this is covering the vast of the reviews online, so you can get a general breakdown of what people are saying. Many users appreciate the user-friendly interface and find GetResponse easy to navigate, even though for those without technical skills. The drag-and-drop editor for creating emails and landing pages is frequently praised for its simplicity and effectiveness. I like this a lot. I'm going to show you why. And it's got comprehensive features. The customer support's great. They got email automation, segmentation, and integration with e-commerce platforms. You got a landing page builder, and you got a pop-up form builder, which is a huge selling point for me. And I'll tell you why in this video in a minute once I take you into actual behind the scenes of GetResponse, which I'm going to do right now. So now we're going to hop over to GetResponse. I got a few windows open. This is the one I want. And this is the inside the dashboard right here. All right, you're going to see when you log in, this is my dashboard here. And I have the $20 a month plan. I think it's $19 a month, but you can actually get it cheaper. Like I said, through the link below. That's what I pay. And I get access to all the automation tools and the email marketing side of things. All right, let's see here. We're going to hit the tools button. And you're going to see on the left where my mouse is, you're going to see all the options. You got contacts. You got the email marketing option. That's where you're going to click here to get into the email marketing side of it. You got autoresponders to set up a sequence of emails to go out when somebody signs up for your free ebook, your PDF, video, course, whatever you're giving away for free. That's what you're going to be that's going to sell for you, your autoresponder. For those of you who are not familiar with autoresponders, very easy to set up. You got a website builder. So you can even build websites with this, which is awesome. You got landing pages, which I was talking about earlier, forms and pop-ups, reports, e-commerce tools. I have not used this. I don't have an e-commerce business, but that's huge because e-commerce is huge. Look at Amazon; it's the biggest company in the world. So, and a lot of people have e-commerce businesses. So this is for you. It's got everything you need as far as that goes. You got automation, webinars. You can run webinars, conversion funnels, paid ads, chats, push notifications, emails and domains, files and images, integrations and API, webhooks, Web Connect. One thing I'd like to point out is I just got the email marketing side of things. I get access to landing pages, forms and pop-ups, and a few more. There's another tier of this where you get access to completely everything. So that's going to depend on what you need this for. But for me, like I told you, I'm doing this review on the $19 a month plan that I'm currently on right now. So with that being said, let me show you some of the features, and then we can go from there. So this is create a form or pop-up, and I'm going to take you into create landing pages. This was one of my big selling points. How to display your message. It says in a pop-up, embed in a page. So we're going to go in a pop-up. I got two made here right now that I'm using, but we're going to make a new one, and then we're going to go from there. All right, we got you got the bar, you got a full screen pop-up, you got slide-in box, you got a pop-up box. And these are all the different pre-designed templates you can use. As I'm scrolling down, you can see all the different kinds of templates you have. So if you're using something pricey like Opt-in Monster or anything to capture leads on your blog or your website, you got a pop-up that you're paying good money for. I used to use Opt-in Monster. They're good, but they're overpriced in my opinion. That was one of the reasons it wasn't worth it for me, so I just was looking for a new email service provider. GetResponse has been around forever. I liked all their features. Hey, I know they're not going anywhere. It's the same reasons that I'm telling you why I went with them. And it saves me a lot of money on not having to buy a pop-up form builder and landing page builder like Opt-in Monster, which can run you like $300 to $500 for the year or more, depending on which package you get. But let me keep scrolling down. Kind of went off on a tangent a little bit there. And these are all the different pop-up forms. So if you see one you like, these are cool. That pops out right there. And there's tons of them. And these all come included. So you're not paying any. It comes included with your monthly price. So you're going to be saving money right there. You're not going to need paid tools to build pop-ups or landing pages, because they do have a landing page builder form too. And I'm going to go over that right now. And like I said, you can do a bar, full screen pop-up, slide-in box, pop-up box. Basically all the same stuff you can do with those paid tools. Now let's go back here again, and we're going to go into landing pages. Create landing page. Use a ready-made template. Use an AI-powered builder. We're going to use a ready-made template. Look at all these templates. Adult, arts and entertainment, autos, beauty and fitness, books and literature, business and industry, computers, finance, food and drink, games, health, hobbies and leisure, plus 18 more. You got shopping, churches, science, reference, real estate, pets and animals, people and society, other, online communities, news, law and government, jobs and education, internet and telecom, software as a service, SaaS, sports, travel, coaching. And let me show you. I'll go through to do the same thing here as you get a peek at all the landing pages. Because I know this is a big selling point for, especially for marketers, that you have this and you don't have to use, other tools like lead pages or, Opt-in Monster. and all the other various ones that are on there that it costs you a lot of money. Because I've used them all. They're good tools, but you're going to be paying for them. If you got them all in here, included in your monthly price, that's a bonus, right? It's a huge bonus. And like I said, the huge selling point for me, besides all this, was GetResponse is it's a company that's been around forever, and they're not going nowhere. It's a very established company with a big clientele base. So, like I said, you don't have nothing to worry about as far as that goes. And the pricing's good, too. It's competitive. It's not the cheapest on the market, but it's not the most expensive either. So it's not in the sweet spot, but for what they give you, I think it's very well priced. What else can I show you here? You got campaigns, website builder, landing pages, forms and pop-ups, e-commerce tools. I have not checked this out, but I can show it to you because I know a lot of people are probably interested in that. Connect to your store and set up marketing and GetResponse. You got to integrate it with your sales platform. Easy to do. Promo codes to attract more customers. Personalized product recommendations to entice repeat buyers. Abandoned cart emails to recover lost sales. Segmentation to target buyers based on purchases and other customer data. E-commerce stats to check your sales numbers. I can't do nothing because you got to connect it. But do you have an option for that? If you're in e-commerce and you want to set up a webinar, you got that. You got pretty much everything on here. And there's a lot of AI-powered stuff on here, which I really like because GetResponse is really modernized and it's using a lot of AI-powered stuff to personalize your emails and just to make your job as a marketer or a business owner a lot easier to send out those all-important emails that are going to make money for your business. So another thing I wanted to do, so 2 thumbs up. I don't know what else I'm going to go over with this. That's pretty much everything. If you want to get in touch with customer service, there's a button down here. You can talk to somebody live all the time. If you got a question, they'll answer it right away, which is real nice. You run into a problem, shoot them a message right down here at the bottom right corner is a pop-up box. That's how you get in touch with customer service for GetResponse. There's also a number I believe that you can reach. I haven't had to do that, but I believe there's a way to do that as well. All right, now we're going to go. I want to show you something. If you do have an email service provider and you're thinking about going over to GetResponse, I got a cool tool as well that you can check out. I want to check. It's a ChatGPT prompt. This is for ChatGPT Plus. It boosts clicks with the world's best email subject lines. So all you got to do is come on over here. This is the prompt right here. Just type this in. I'll leave a link below in the video description box. And what it's going to do is it's going to craft you some awesome subject lines. Say I want to do something about give me the top 10 email subject lines about, we'll say GetResponse. Now it's asking for detail before they create it about your target audience. Who are they? Small business owners, your unique selling proposition, top benefits, pain points solved, what problems does GetResponse solve, your desired action, your preferred tone. And then once you do all this, I'm going to do this real quick. Target audience, small business owners. And we're going to go USP, pricing, and features. And then we're going to go with top 3 benefits, pricing, features, established business. Desired action. What do I want them to do? Click on a link, right? Click on link. Preferred tone. We're going to go with formal. Now, here we go. Great. Based on your provided detail, here are 10 click-worthy email subject lines for GetResponse. Now, what this is going to do, it's going to find the top, based on all the criteria I just put in here in this prompt. It gives you the top 10. Unlock powerful features at unbeatable prices with GetResponse. Discover why small businesses trust GetResponse. Click now. Affordable email marketing solutions for your small business. GetResponse. Top features and pricing you can't ignore. They're all pretty good. Transform your business with GetResponse's advanced features. Maximize your return on investment with GetResponse's competitive pricing. The ultimate email marketing tool for small business owners. Excuse me. What else we got? GetResponse, your key to efficient and cost-effective marketing. And then it's going to go through the 10, and then it's going to do the top 3 based on click potential. And then it gives you the winner. Now, you can go through these and pick your own, but this is the one I came up with. And I like it. It's unlock powerful features at unbeatable prices with GetResponse. So it's going to save you a lot of time for promoting a product. You want a nice subject line, which everybody does in their emails. That's the most important thing you can do to get people to click on it. You can come on over to this prompt and play around with it. But I'll leave a link to that below as well. And we're going to go back to GetResponse real quick, and then we're going to end the video. So this is it. 2 thumbs up for GetResponse. It's got a lot of features for a great price. For all the features you get, it's a great price. A well-established company. It's been around since '97. It's got over 400,000, like 500,000 customers worldwide. And the best part is you can try it out free for 30 days. All the features. So check it out for yourself. Don't just take my word for it. And see how you like it. And the link directly below in the video description box. I'll leave a link to GetResponse for that free trial. And like I said, you'll also save like 30% off if you decide to pick it up. If you decide to want to just go with the free trial for 30 days, it's fine as well. Both works the same way. But and then I'll leave a link to that prompt I just shown you as well to create the best email subject lines when you do start. If you go GetResponse or use another email marketing service provider, that's a good prompt for you to use to help you out. So with that being said, hit like on this video if you enjoyed it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.